How to do glowing rainbow outline text effect in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Drag a Text Plus node and connect it to Media Out. Select the text and adjust its styles to your liking in the Inspector panel. Go to Shading tab and set Appearance to second option. Set Type to Gradient and choose 2 other colors instead of black and white. Set Mapping Angle to 90 and Mapping Level to Text. While the text is still selected, press Shift plus Space, search for glow, and add it. Once again search for glow, this time add the second glow to it. Check the Alpha Limits Effects checkbox. Decrease HV ratio, then decrease shine threshold. Search for Gaussian blur and add it. Set strength to 0.1. Search for color corrector and add it. Right-click on the hue property and choose Modify with Shake. In the Modifiers tab, set minimum to -1 and maximum to 1. Now we have this animation. Select the text and click on Rectangle Mask to mask it. Adjust the size of the mask and set angle to -30 and soft edge to around 0.04. Then drag it to the left side of the text. Move the playhead to the start, and click on diamond button next to center to add a starting keyframe. Move playhead to frame 30 and increase center X property until the mask is at the right side of the text to add another keyframe. Select the rectangle, and press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V to duplicate it. Move playhead to the start, drag the duplicate rectangle to the right side of the text, and set angle to 30. Move playhead to frame 30 and drag the rectangle to the left side of the text to add another keyframe. Open up Spline panel and check both rectangles. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. Click on this button to make animation ping-pong and repeat for the entire duration of the composition. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.